We will show you how to download original Kali Linux VMware image files. First, open up your browser and go to kali.org. Press Download, then Virtual Machines. Press the arrow to the left of VMware. This will download Kali Linux VM. Extract the downloaded Kali Linux zip files and open up VMware Workstation. Go to File, Open, and select the VMX file inside the folder. Power on the virtual machine. Press Enter to boot. Use Kali both for username and password. All done. Please subscribe.